What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a fresh KTM 450 XCF-W build right here with our new billet swing arm. So this is our complete big wheel conversion kit. Just want to show you guys a couple new features on this swing arm that we haven't really talked about yet. So we've got the newer KTM kickstand with our new billet bracket. Now, we used to fabricate these, but our goal with this new swing arm design was to go 100% billet. Everything is a precision part. We've got new chain adjusters, they're easier to use. We've got a new chain guide, and of course the front guard is all new. Pretty much the whole deal is brand new with this whole billet setup. We've added anti-vibe handlebar mounts on this KTM. This is actually a Honda style handlebar mount. We now have the pinch on here for the KTM clamp. And the newer models, because the frame does not have the stopper bolts anymore, we now have the steering stops built into the triple clamp. Overall, super clean build. Very happy with it. It's shipping off to Florida, and we'll get on to the next one.